Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. Once you label me, you negate me. Don't forget to love yourself. Prayer does not change God, but it changes him who prays. I see it all perfectly. There are two possible situations. One can either do this or that. My honest opinion and my friendly advice is this: do it or do not do it. You will regret both. People demand freedom of speech as a compensation for the freedom of thought, which they seldom use. To dare is to lose one's footing momentarily. Not to dare is to lose oneself. The highest and most beautiful things in life are not to be heard about, nor read about, nor seen, but, if one will, are to be lived. Our life always expresses the result of our dominant thoughts. Love is all, it gives all, and it takes all. What is a poet? An unhappy person who conceals profound anguish in his heart, but whose lips are so formed that as sighs and cries pass over them, they sound like beautiful music. Face the facts of being what you are, for that is what changes what you are. The tyrant dies and his rule is over. The martyr dies and his rule begins. Boredom is the root of all evil, the despairing refusal to be oneself. God creates out of nothing. Wonderful, you say. Yes, to be sure, but he does what is still more wonderful. He makes saints out of sinners. People understand me so poorly that they don't even understand my complaint about them not understanding me. Anxiety is the dizziness of freedom. Patience is necessary, and one cannot reap immediately where one has sown. Listen to the cry of a woman in labor. At the hour of giving birth, look at the dying man's struggle at his last extremity, and then tell me whether something that begins and ends thus could be intended for enjoyment. Most men pursue pleasure with such breathless haste that they hurry past it. Faith is the highest passion in a human being. Many in every generation may not come that far, but none comes further. Purity of heart is to will one thing, be that self which one truly is. It belongs to the imperfection of everything human that man can only attain his desire by passing through its opposite. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.